Okay, what we have here is a hole that's been kicked in the side wall of a bath, acrylic bath, and that's all the way through. We're going to attempt to strengthen it from inside the bath. Further video to follow. So we now have applied the fiberglass patch after dressing back all the broken edges, and used a special technique from patching it with inside the bath, but fiberglassing the rear of the bath and part of the face. Stay tuned for stage 3. So we've resurfaced the area with acrylic. You can see how strong it is now. Now on to the next stage of skimming it, and then becoming stage 2 complete, the fiberglassing, which has strengthened it. Now we'll resurface the face of that with the acrylic and then do the coating. So it has been skimmed with a special filler now and sanded back. Now it has another filler put over the surface of that and then coated in colour match. As you can see, I started the coating now. It's getting a light covering colour match. Okay, now this is coated, colour matched. As you can see, no sign of the old repair, the old hole. It'll take 24 hours to dry, and then the bath is right for use. Job now complete. Sealer coat on.